This is a simple, elegant look I did for an evening with a sari. I'm using a contact lens, a colored lens, and the name has been captioned. I'm going to simply moisturize my face. I don't want to use a primer. I just want to use a moisturizer, and then I'm going to get into my makeup. A little bit of liquid foundation, very little, and if you need more then you add, but a layered look can look very artificial. I like a very natural finish on my makeup. My videos are mostly about the techniques. Please feel free to use products of your choice. If you want to use the products that I'm using, I've captioned them exactly what they're called, and you can just type them into Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Sephora or Amazon. I don't add links because they expire in a month. I'm going to use my concealer now. Some people like using it before the foundation, some after. It doesn't matter, whatever works for you. I always set my eyebrows with a gel. If you need to draw it, go for it, but definitely set it with a gel so it stays in place. I'm going to use a powder-based contour because I don't want harsh lines on my face. So I'm going to just use a soft brush and contour my face. My makeup is mostly very soft and blended in looks, mostly with eyeshadow and very little liquid eyeliner because that is actually easier. For the nose, just flatten the brush and apply it on the two sides and your nose will be contoured. That's enough for daily makeup. I'm using a neutral eyeshadow on my upper eyelid. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, go further up. If you're watching my videos for the first time, if this is YouTube, do see the important links and look at the description box. And if this is Facebook, do check out the comments section. On YouTube, my channel is called Sreenanda Shankar and all the makeup videos are under the playlist called My Daily Makeup. On Facebook, check out my page which is dedicated to makeup called Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. Now back to the makeup. Take a dark brown eyeshadow and a flat, fluffy eyeshadow brush. It doesn't matter which one. This one that I'm using is discontinued. Now just put it on your outer corner and blend it towards inside. Make the strokes from outside to inside and bring it up to your crease line. Let's make it easier. Draw like a V shape on the outer corner and then blend it in, also onto your crease line. But make sure all your eyeshadow is well blended and you always tap off the extra product from the brush. I'm going to be using a red lipstick today, so I'm not going to make my eyes too bold. Now bring the brown eyeshadow down to your lower outer lash line. Always take little product and then add more if required. I'm just using my highlighter. You can take your highlighter or any shimmery eyeshadow and dab it onto your upper eyelid. Just make sure this shade is also blended in really well. Now take any black eyeshadow and a thin angle brush and I'm going to very lightly line my upper lid. It's going to be just like a base for my mascara. I'm completely tight lining, but if you want it to be thicker, then you just make it thicker in the same way. If you want to use a liquid eyeliner, go for it. A lot of ladies skip the mascara because it's difficult for them to remove. Just use a baby oil or coconut oil and use a wet wipe and you'll be sorted. But it's important to complete your eye makeup with a mascara because sometimes the eyeshadow falls on it, on the lashes I mean, and it doesn't look nice. I always prime my lips with a new lip liner. This makes the lipstick stay longer. I'm using a red lip liner because I'm going to use a nice red lipstick. I'm going to use a matte red lipstick. You can use a red lipstick or any lipstick of your choice. I'm using a very mild blush because the lips are already very red. I do love the nude sticks blushes, especially the cream blushes. I use a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a shade of your choice, but use a powder formula. I don't bake my face because I find the look very loud and it also looks very dry. So I just take my Studio Fix and touch up my foundation and wherever required. For a dressy look, I always like to complete my makeup with a good highlighter. Do subscribe and follow, and I hope my makeup videos are making your life easy, and I really hope beginners give it a chance and don't fear makeup anymore. I'll see you with an easy look very soon again. Take care. I'm good to go. I'm just waiting for my hairstylist to come and curl my hair.